What's up, guys? Today I went to my friend Steven's house to skate on his quarter pipe, and we skated with two other guys from the neighborhood. One of them is TikTok famous. His name is BoppedInJock16 on TikTok. And the first time I rode up the ramp, I put a hole in the bottom of it, and I know Steven has worked really hard building this ramp, so I felt bad. So then we found some sheet metal, screwed it in there, countersunk the screws, got it in there, and it worked really good. We had a good time, and here's some of the clips.
What could achieve? Oh, this one where I can't hide till it tears me apart. Started living in the life, it didn't change my ways. Oh, this one where I can't hide till it tears me apart. Started living in the life, trying to change my ways. Was it here that we learned of grace? That it's nothing. What could achieve? Look good, I have to go. I will leave you in the sleep tonight. There's a feeling I get when I'm alone, but I lay it down at your feet.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.